Welcome to Kids Zone.
We will learn animals and their homes. Ant lives in hill. Bear lives in cave. Bee lives in hive. Cow lives in shed. Bird lives in nest. Some domestic birds live in cages. Dog lives in kennel. Crocodile lives in nest. Dove lives in dovecot. Hen lives in co-op. Horse lives in stable. Lion lives in den. Mouse lives in hole. Pig lives in pigsty. Rabbit lives in burrow. Spider lives in web. Turtle lives in sea. Cat lives in cattery. Elephant lives in grassland. Tiger lives in lair. Chimpanzee lives in trees. Giraffe lives in safari. Fish lives in aquarium. Deer lives in bushes. Fox lives in hole. Duck lives in pond. Eagle lives in eyrie.